Start with a rectangle. Draw out your rectangle. You want to give it a border with no fill. And then you're going to switch to your pen tool. If you right click on the pen tool, you'll see different tools. Go ahead and choose the Add Anchor Point tool. I'm going to add anchor points so that I can cut out these parts. And then down here, I'm going to add 3 so I can make the triangle part. I'm then going to switch to my white arrow, my direct selection tool, and I can just click and drag on that section. Actually, I'm going to start off of it. Click and drag. I want just this section selected. And then if I hit delete, it'll cut that out. Same thing here, just that section. Hit delete to cut that out. Grab the white arrow tool, pull this down. And if I double click on this, or just put these handles back in here, I can make it a sharp point. And there you have it. And then you can change the stroke to be whatever you want.